Hello everyone, today we are going to explain how to configure static routing using IP version 6 address. In this picture, there is a two router, both router IP version 6 enabled, and we will start from scratch. We will assign IP version 6 address, then we will configure static routing, then we will try to reach one router to another router. In this picture you can see there is a one IP version 6 address, and this is different IP version 6 address, right? And this is also another IP version 6 address. Now let's start. We're assuming this is R1 router and this is R2 router. Okay, so we can keep side by side, and we are logging our MikroTik router. There is no configuration. Okay, just connect the router. Then you can change the identity. How to change the identity? System to identity. The router name is R1. Then first of all we need to assign IP version 6 address. In that case you should go to IP version 6 address, then go to the address, click plus and assign the IP address like 2:1:1/64, and interface is Ethernet 1. Just apply to OK. Then the point-to-point IP address 2:001:1/64. Interface is Ethernet 2 @ not. Then apply. Okay. Then you need to go to IP version 6 address. Then there is a routes. Click plus. Then 2:0/64. The gateway will be 2:001:2. Apply. Okay, now let's configure R2 router. Okay, connect the router. First of all, change the identity, system to identity. The router name will be R2. Apply. OK. Then assign IP address. Click plus. The IP address is 3:42:1/64. Interface will be Ether 1. It will be Ether 1. Apply. OK. Then click plus 2:001:2/64. This will be Ethernet 2. Now configure route. IP version 6 routes, click plus, then the destination address 2:0. Gateway 2:001:1. Apply to OK. Very good. Now let's start by ping on to another router 2:3:1:1. Yes, it's working. Then we can check the route to 0:001:1. Yes, we can reach also. Let's see this side. 2.2. Yes, it's also working on the destination network. this IP. Yes, we can also reachable these two network, right, using static route. Thank you for watching.